Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Toyota Hilux single cab Workmate ute, stock reference number 5054. This shape runs from the 9th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 2GD 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear wheel drive transmission. 2GD 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left power door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, factory fitted tray with toolbox, all bolts and brackets, no keys. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right front door appears to have no damage, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, single cab type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.